This is an 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. You should clean your portable AC about once a year to keep it running at optimal performance. In this video, I will show you how I clean my portable air conditioner. From the back of the AC, I'm removing the two condensation drain covers. Then I'm removing all the screws on the back and the sides. I had to use my ratcheting screwdriver with a long bit to reach some of the deep holes. Now we can wiggle out the back cover and the front cover. Look out for ribbon cables that attach to any LCD screens. Disconnect those, don't yank them. What we are cleaning here are the coils. The top coil is the evaporator coil, the bottom coil is the condenser coil. When those coils get filled with dust, the AC won't do as good of a job cooling down your room. I use a shop vac to remove some of the dust from the coils. Now we're going to use a spray cleaner. You can use a coil cleaner that comes in a compressed can like this one, or you can buy the concentrate fluid and dilute it with water in a spray bottle. Years ago I bought this concentrate, so I'm going to use this. I use about 1 part cleaner to 4 parts water. Wear gloves when using these chemicals. Now I'm going to spray liberally and wait about 15 minutes for it to soak in. Then rinse it all off with a gentle stream. Avoid a strong jet stream of water because you'll bend the coils that way. You also want to stay away from spraying water directly into this electrical panel. This is a GFCI plug. You want to keep this away from the water or the unit might not turn on until it dries up inside. I use my vac in blower mode to blow out as much water, and then I turned it to vacuum mode and removed any leftover water. I also cleaned the plastic panels and accidentally got some water in the LCD screen. Yikes. I let the unit dry overnight and the LCD screen was dry the next morning. I'm going to test the unit to make sure it still works. Here I'm resetting the GFCI plug. And it's good. Here's a before and after look at the coils. So how often should you clean your AC? The plastic washable filter on the back can be cleaned about once a month or when you see that it's dirty. The coils should be cleaned once a year right before the summer heat. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts below and I'll see you guys in the next one.